America's always been a nation of doers. We build things, we take risks, and we believe that if you have a good idea and are willing to work hard enough, you can turn that idea into a successful business. Today, entrepreneurs are everywhere. In labs and garages all across America, they're working on new sources of clean energy, cures for life-threatening diseases, and inventions that will transform the way we see the world. And because the new businesses they create are responsible for most of the new jobs in this country, helping them succeed is essential to helping our economy grow. That's why we need to do everything we can to make it easier for America's entrepreneurs to take an idea from the drawing board to the factory floor to the store shelves. As part of this, I've proposed legislation that will make it easier for entrepreneurs to get the funding they need to grow and create jobs. And through a program called Startup America, I've called on my entire administration to help entrepreneurs get loans, cut through red tape, speed up innovation, and get their businesses off the ground faster.
I'm Wallace Lowe, President of the University of Maryland, and this is the Innovation Hall of Fame. Here, the A. James Clark School of Engineering honors the innovations of its graduates, the UPC barcode, teleconferencing technology, the automatic parachute. This is the kind of entrepreneurial thinking that pervades this university. Just this semester, we hosted a series of campus-wide competitions, challenges, lectures, special events that promote the importance of innovation right here in Maryland. A sold-out crowd gathered recently for the final of Cupid's Cup, our annual competition for student entrepreneurs. There were 5 finalists. They presented their businesses to a panel of judges that included competition founder Kevin Plank from Under Armour. Governor O'Malley delivered a stirring keynote address. And when it was all done, a student group called Reed Street Productions took home the $15,000 top prize for a new zombie-themed series for adventure races.
All the preparation, everything, my team, everything is finally paid off.
We recently unveiled plans for increased collaboration with our colleagues at the University of Maryland in Baltimore. An exciting part of this partnership is University of Maryland Ventures, which is designed to create the jobs of tomorrow. We already create 5 new startup companies every year, and together we will increase that number by merging our tech transfer and commercialization efforts with the University of Maryland at Baltimore. Thank you very much for your continued support of the University of Maryland. And go Terps!
My initial diagnosis came on a Friday afternoon at 4 o'clock, and a radiologist put a film up and said, "You have breast cancer."
The lifelong research of Dr. Brody has made the difference between life and death for thousands. Her discovery of aromatase inhibitors, a new class of drugs, has prevented the recurrence of breast cancer for women throughout the world.
We feel, it's really been wonderful that we've been able to develop some compounds now that will really be beneficial to treating breast cancer.
I had the unexpected opportunity to meet Angela Brody, the Dr. Brody, and emotions took over. And I had to say, "Dr. Brody, may I please give you a hug for myself and all the women that you have helped."